Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an FBAR. The FBAR, or Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts, is a crucial document for many U.S. persons. It's required if the total value of your foreign financial accounts exceeded $10,000 at any time during the calendar year. This includes bank accounts, brokerage accounts, and certain other financial instruments held outside the United States. To determine if you need to file, consider if you are a U.S. person with a financial interest in or signature authority over foreign financial accounts. The key threshold is whether the combined maximum value of all your foreign accounts was more than $10,000 at any point. Remember, this isn't just about ownership. Having the power to control funds also triggers the requirement. Filing your FBAR is done electronically through the BSA e-filing system on the FinCEN website. Before you begin, collect all necessary information for each foreign account, including the account number, the name and address of the financial institution, and the maximum value held in the account during the year. The deadline is typically April 15, but you receive an automatic extension until October 15. It's crucial to maintain meticulous records of all your foreign financial accounts for at least 5 years from the FBAR due date. Be aware that failing to file or filing inaccurately can lead to significant penalties, both civil and potentially criminal. If your situation is complex or you have any doubts, it's always wise to consult with a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.